Hello students, I Dipali Mehta wish you a very happy and healthy day. I hope you and your family are doing great at home and you are safe as well. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the solution of the third self-assignment question. So let us see the question first and we'll do the marking of the question. So let us start with the marking of the question. As Kranti and Sumangala are partners sharing profit and losses in 3:2, from the trial balance given below and adjustments, you are required to prepare the trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and balance sheet as on that date. Okay, the trial balance is given as on 31st March 2019. The first thing in the trial balance given is stock. So this is our opening stock. Stock will go to trading account, debit side. Then purchases, trading account, debit side. Sundry debtors, asset. Bills receivable, asset. Wages, trading account, debit side. 10% investment. Investment is our asset. And there is an hidden adjustment on it. We have purchased an investment on 1st January 2019 and the rate of interest is 10%. Okay, so see on the credit side, is there any interest given? No. So that means the interest is due for how many months? 3 months. January, February and March, because our year ending is 31st March 2019. So January to March is 3 months. Okay, so on this we have to calculate 10% for 3 months. Okay, so what will be the effect of the same? Asset, क्योंकि income due है, and second effect PC, profit and loss account, credit side. But हम इसमें add नहीं करने वाले हैं, so I'm not putting any dot over here. Investment पे कभी भी interest add होगा नहीं, it will be written always separately. ठीक है? Then postage, profit and loss account, debit side. Insurance, profit and loss account, debit side. Plant and machinery asset, salaries, profit and loss account, debit side. Prepaid rent, so it is given on the debit side. So I mean, any kind of prepaid or outstanding given on the debit side will go to assets. Bad debts, PD formula. Furniture, asset. Cash in hand, asset. Sales return, less from sales. So we'll put one tick mark on sales. So I'm putting one dot over here. Okay. Then on the credit side, capital is given. So PCC. Okay. By balance, brought down. Then sales, TC, trading account, credit side. Sundry creditors, liabilities. Okay. Bills payable, liabilities. Commission, PC, profit and loss account, credit side. And purchases, less from purchase. So put a tick mark on purchases. Put one dot over here. Okay. So trial balance का posting आपको clear हो गया होगा. Now let us start with the adjustments. Okay. Now in adjustment, first adjustment is closing stock is valued at cost price 28,000 and market price 32,000. So closing stock है, what will be the effect of the same? First effect will go to TC, trading account, credit side, and second effect will go to assets, balance sheet, asset side. Now insurance is paid up to 30th June 2019. Now this adjustment I have done in the last question itself. Okay, so up to means what? That is from 1st April 2018 to 30th June 2019 we have paid. So we have paid for 15 months. Okay, so we have to divide this insurance amount. Okay, that is 7,500. Okay, we have to divide by 15 months. Okay, and we have to multiply it by 3 months prepaid. That is April, May and June. Okay, ये मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में ही मेरे क्वेश्चन में करवाया था मैंने. ओके, तो आप उसमें भी इसके इफेक्ट्स देख सकते हो और आज भी हम लोग इसका डिस्कशन डेफिनेटली करेंगे. व्हाट विल बी द इफेक्ट? इट इज आफ्टर ऑल अ प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस. सो प्रीपेड एक्सपेंसेस का इफेक्ट क्या होगा? लेस फ्रॉम एक्सपेंसेस. और सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा? एसेट्स. Okay, because it is a prepaid expense. So put a tick mark on insurance. So I'll put one dot over here. Okay. Next is book value of plant and machinery is reduced to rupees 13,000 and depreciate furniture by 1250. This adjustment also I had taken in the last question which I had solved. Okay. So book value of plant and machinery is reduced to 13,000. What is the value of the plant and machinery? Is 15. So 15 से वो क्या हो गया? 13 हो गया. So it's an indirect information of depreciation. That means 2,000 has to be a depreciation value of plant and machinery. ठीक है? So 13,000 outer column में जाएगा. ओके 15,000 इनर कॉलम में हम जब लिखेंगे तो उसमें से लेस डेप्रिसिएशन कितना लिखेंगे 2,000। और यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली बोल दिया है कि फर्नीचर को डेप्रिशिएट करो बाय 1250। सो फर्नीचर में से हम सीधा सीधा 1250 क्या कर देंगे माइनस. So after all, both the adjustments are for depreciation. So what will be the effect of depreciation? Less from assets and profit and loss account debit side. So put one tick mark on furniture and put one tick mark on plant and machinery. Alright. Commission still receivable rupees 175. सो कमीशन रिसीवेबल हुआ यानी कि मिलने वाला है, तो ये क्या हो गया आउटस्टैंडिंग इनकम है, तो वो क्या होगा ऑलवेज ऐड होगा. ठीक है. सो ऐड टू क्या हो जाएगा इनकम, और सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा इनकम रिसीवेबल है तो एसेट्स में जाएगा. ठीक है. सो कमीशन पे टिक मार्क कर दीजिए एक, because already commission is given, so in that we have to add additional 175 rupees, and the second effect will effect will go to assets. Then provide further bad debts of rupees 800. Okay, so further bad debts है, clearly बोला है कि further bad debts का effect adjustment हमें दिया हुआ है. तो further bad debts का effect क्या होगा, पहला effect penal debit side formula और less from debtors. Okay, सो डेटर्स पे हमने टिक मार्क कर देते हैं, और हम लोग पीएनएल में फॉर्मूला तो पूरा लिखने ही वाले हैं. ठीक है. देन नेक्स्ट, गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 3,000 विथड्रॉन बाय क्रांति वाज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. यानी गुड्स विथड्रॉन बाय क्रांति वाज नॉट एंटर्ड इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स, सो वी हैव टू रिकॉर्ड इट. Anyways, goods is going out of the business, so first effect will go to trading account credit side. ठीक है. And it Kranti is a partner, so as Kranti has withdrawn goods for the personal use, so it is a drawings, so partners capital account debit side, because Kranti is a debitor receiver. Okay. तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी कुछ भी टिक मार्क नहीं होगा, right? Now bills payable includes dishonored bill of rupees 5,000. Now bills payable has been dishonored, so what will be the effect of the same? Bills payable dishonored हुआ है तो less from bills payable, और दूसरा इफेक्ट क्या होगा add to creditors. So put a tick mark on creditors as well as on bills payable. So I hope यहाँ तक आपको पूरा ये मार्किंग समझ में आ गया होगा. प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो हमारा 3:2 है, राइट. चलिए, now let us see the solution of it, and we'll see the effect of the adjustment as well. Now let us check the answer. On the top you must have written in the books of Kranti and Sumangala. Okay, the format you must have prepared: trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019, profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2019. In partners capital account Kranti and Sumangala, on both the side you must have written, and balance sheet as on 31st March 2019. Okay, now let us start with first hidden adjustment was given related to investment. Okay, that was the only hidden adjustment given in the question. So investment जो है वो 10% है 32,000, and that we have purchased on 1st January 2019. So January, February and March 3 months का इंटरेस्ट हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. इंटरेस्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग है, रिसीवेबल है हमारे लिए. So on 32,000 if we calculate 10% कितना हो जाएगा 3,200 for the 12 months, और उसका अगर हम 6 months का कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो कितना होगा 1,600, और अगर हम 3 months का कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो 1,600 का भी हाफ, दैट इज 800. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है एक इफेक्ट एसेट्स में जाएगा बिकॉज हमारे लिए इनकम रिसीवेबल है, इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट 800, और दूसरा इफेक्ट जाएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट 800 आउटर कॉलम. ओके. Then first adjustment, closing stock is valued at cost price 28,000 and market price 32,000. तो जब भी दो प्राइस दिया रहेगा we will consider whichever is less. So we'll consider 28,000. First effect will go to trading account credit side by closing stock 28,000, और second effect जाएगा assets में closing stock 28,000 outer column. Okay. Insurance is paid up to 30th June 2019. So यहाँ पे हमने डिस्कस किया था कि up to word दिया है, तो यानी up to यानी from 1st April 2018 to 30th June 2019 the amount has been paid. It has been paid for 15 months. तो 7,500 यहाँ पे मैंने वर्किंग नोट किया है. 7,500 हमें क्या करना है डिवाइड बाय 15. So we'll get an answer 500 per month. So April, May and June 3 months it is advance. So multiplied by 3 answer will be 1,500. Prepaid है तो prepaid क्या होगा always less. So less from insurance 1,500, और सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा एसेट्स में प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस 1500. ओके. Then book value of plant and machinery is reduced to rupees 13,000 and depreciate furniture by 1250. As we had discussed कि हमें plant and machinery का outer column का value दिया है. That means it has been reduced to 13. 15 से 13 हो गया. So 2000 is the difference. That's my depreciation. और फर्नीचर में से हमें 1250 माइनस करने के लिए बोला है, तो लेस फ्रॉम एसेट्स हो गया. ठीक है. आउटर कॉलम में वैल्यू हो गया 11,250 ऑफ फर्नीचर. दोनों का सेकंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट साइड 2 डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एंड फर्नीचर 2000 1250 इनर कॉलम, आउटर कॉलम में 3250. Then commission still receivable 175. Commission was already given in the profit and loss account credit side. We have written in the inner column. उसी में हमें क्या करना है? Add, because it is an outstanding income. तो outstanding always क्या होगा? Add. So add receivable या outstanding 175. आउटर कॉलम में कितना जाएगा? 500. और सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा? एसेट्स में जाएगा. सो कमीशन रिसीवेबल 175. ठीक है. Then provide further bad debts of rupees 800. Now in this question on the debtors there is only one adjustment, that is the further bad debts. So less further bad debts 800, outer column में जाएगा 99 200. Now in the formula already bad debts is given 500, उसी में हम कर देंगे add further bad debts. There is no new RDD, so 500 plus 800 1300, and in this question old RDD was not given in the trial balance. वहाँ पे डैश जाएगा, तो आउटर कॉलम में हमारा वैल्यू कितना जाएगा? 1300. नेक्स्ट है गुड्स ऑफ रुपीज 3000 विड्रॉन बाय क्रांति वॉज नॉट रिकॉर्डेड इन द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स. यानी गुड्स विड्रॉन बाय पार्टनर है, तो बिजनेस में से गुड्स गया ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड बाय गुड्स विड्रॉन बाय क्रांति 3000 आउटर कॉलम. और सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ पे जाएगा? पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट 2 ड्रॉइंग्स ब्रैकेट में लिखना है गुड्स विड्रॉन. यू कैन नॉट राइट डायरेक्टली ओवर हियर 2 गुड्स विड्रॉन. यू हैव टू राइट 2 ड्रॉइंग्स एंड इन ब्रैकेट यू हैव टू राइट गुड्स विड्रॉन. ओके. Now bills payable includes dishonored bill of rupees 5,000. Bills payable has been dishonored, so less from bills payable. So right over here, less bill dishonored 5,000. Outer column value will be 10,000. Add to sundry creditors. Add bill dishonored 5,000. Outer column value will be 35,000. Okay. So I hope यहाँ तक आपको adjustment के effects भी clear हो गए होंगे. Now let us start with the balancing part. ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट में अगर आप क्लोजिंग करोगे तो यू मस्ट हैव गॉट द क्रेडिट साइड वैल्यू एज 89,500 व्हिच आई हैव रिटन बिलो द टोटल लाइन, एंड ऑन डेबिट साइड टोटल इज 74,500. सो 89,500 is more, so if you minus 74,500 from 89,500 you will get an answer of 15,000 gross profit. Okay. So gross profit हमें debit side में difference मिला है, so that will be transferred on the opposite side, that is credit side of the profit and loss account as by gross profit brought down 15,000. And the same way when you will close the profit and loss account you will find that the credit side total is 16,300 and debit side total is 18,100. So this time in the profit and loss account debit side total is more. Okay, so we'll write 18,100 18,100 as a total. And then if we'll minus 16,300 from 18,100, answer will be 1,800. Okay, so 1,800 is our loss. So I have written by net loss transferred to partners capital account. Now this loss has to be divided in the profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2, right? So 1,800 we have to divide by 5. So I've made a working note over here. 3 plus 2 5 हो गया. So 1,800 if you divide by 5 you will get an answer 360. So 360 you have to multiply it by 3 and multiply it by 2. So if you multiply it by 3 you will get an answer of 1080 and multiplied by 2 up करोगे तो you will get an answer of 720. So that is where we have divided among Kranti and Sumangala, right? Now this time we have got the difference on the credit side, so it will be transferred on the debit side. So you have to write 2 net loss 1080 and 720 in the partners capital account debit side. Okay, now it's a partners capital account, तो बैलेंस यानी कि टोटल तो हमेशा किसका ज़्यादा होगा? क्रेडिट का ही ज़्यादा होगा. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे 1,20,000 और 40 आ गया. सेम वे यहाँ पे टोटल आ जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम 40,000 you have to minus 720 in case of Sumangala, so you will get a balance of 39,280, and from 1,20,000 you have to minus 4,080, right? So if you minus 4,080 you will get a balance carried down of 1,15,920. Now debit side में balance carried down मिला है. सो ऑपोजिट साइड में जाएगा बैलेंस शीट में, यानी कि क्रेडिट साइड. सो क्रेडिट साइड मतलब क्या हुआ, लायबिलिटीज. यू मस्ट हैव मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रांति एंड सुमंगला 1,15,920 and 39,280. The total comes in the outer column as 1,55,200. And finally, when you will total up the balance sheet, you will find a total of 2,02,000 on both the side. I hope यहाँ तक आपको सब कुछ clear हो गया होगा regarding posting, adjustments, hidden adjustments and balancing. Okay. Still, if you have any doubt, please do mention in the comment box. I will reply to the same. Keep watching, keep learning, and keep sharing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Take a very good care of yourself and your family.